today, and I thought I'd take you along, but my dad's just dropped these off. When he was in the garden, I said to him, oh, the hinge on the shed is broken and that we're ordering a new one. And he said, before you order one, I've got some going spare at home. And he'd just taken an old gate down, and these were on the old gate. So we're going to see which ones fit best. So that was handy, and that saved us a bit of money. We're not doing that today though. I'm just showing you that we got these as some freebies. My son and the neighbour's child, he's at school with her, have been making polymer clay in the garden. They've actually made that flower for the neighbour that's in between us, because she lets them run across her garden to call on each other, because both fences are broken and she lets them go through one, run across the bottom part of her garden, and then in through the other into the other's garden. And yeah, they've been making polymer clay. It's nice and sunny, so they sat outside doing it, and they made that for her, which I think is lovely. Now, I know I'll get asked why it's in water. So polymer clay, I bake it in the oven and then I drop it into cold water to cool it and harden it. Yeah, it works a treat. I'll get it out and dry it off in a minute, but that's what the instructions on one of the packets told me to do, and I do it with all the polymer clay now. And it's quick satisfaction for the kids, so they've made something and they'll be able to give it to the neighbour like straight away now. And there we go. I'm going to get these in the sun outside to dry fully, and then the kids can grab them when they're done. That's cute, isn't it? And it's sunny enough to get the washing out. Absolutely love it. So I've just refilled my washing up liquid bottle for the last time. When I get to the end of this, I fill it with a bit of water, give it a good smoosh about, and I'll use that now for the next couple of washes just to make sure we get the most out of it. This won't last me that great deal of time, but I always buy a 5 litre one. So I've gone on eBay and I've ordered another. I normally use Amazon. Currently, Amazon is taking over a week, like well over a week in some cases, to deliver anything. I think it's because the Royal Mail are doing it, and in my area it's just so bad at the moment. So the earliest I would have got it, I think, is in 9 days from now. But on eBay, I'm getting it in 2 days from now. So I always buy the cheapest. I'm not loyal to any brand. If it's 5 litres and it's the cheapest one, that's what I get. It works out cheaper for me to do that than to buy individual washing up liquid like bottles from the supermarket. This time I've paid $7.99 on eBay. Amazon it would have been $6.99, but like I said, the postage, it's just, Amazon's doing my head in at the moment with the postage. So I've gone through eBay and I'm going to get it in 2 days time. I also do that with my washing detergent. So this, I used what I could get out of it, and then I've put a little bit of water in there, given it a bit of a smooch about, and this will be in my next wash before I start the new one. I have also had to find a last minute token gift for somebody, and we were given this, still in date till June. We were given these at Christmas. My kids don't like the white chocolate ones, so I just put them aside. So I went through my card stash and got these out, and this is going to be a last minute token gift. So that's worked out well, actually. I decided to put on a wax burner in the kitchen. This is one of the ones that my daughter was getting rid of, and I was like, I'll have that. I got loads of wax melts and candles. So I haven't paid out for any candles because that's on my no-buy, but I got some from her, and I've got a nice, I think it's like a unicorn something it's called, wax melt in. So yeah, got that in the kitchen. I love a good wax melt. Gonna make myself a cup of tea, and then I'm gonna go through this cupboard. I said I was gonna do it a little while back and I haven't got around to it yet, but I definitely need to declutter some things out of this cupboard because it's just getting a bit hard to close it. Oh, see? Yeah, we need a bit of a clear out. I'm not buying any more mugs for myself or the kids or anyone this year. So that's on my no-buy as well, but we're going to have a little clear out of this. And here is what we are decluttering. My son has said yes to getting rid of these big clunky cups that take up loads of room, and he's got a couple that, well 3 actually, that he wants to keep that are smaller and more practical and more his age now. So he's grown out of these. That one's got to go in the bin because it's all chipped. But these ones I think I can put on Facebook Marketplace for free, see if anybody would like them, especially like these. I'd like it to go as a bundle We have these, we've been to a local event, and it was because they don't want people taking glasses out of the pubs. You paid £1 and you could have it refilled. Well, all my family gave me the cups they had bought. So we have some still in the cupboard that we're keeping. And yeah, people didn't want them. I thought they'd be good for the kids in the garden, but I've got loads. And my son wants to get rid of that. So I'm going to see if anyone wants that on Facebook. And this is how our cupboard is looking now. Much more spacious. I can actually get things in without having to just squish them in. So the kids' school bottles are there. These are the ones we use the most. The kids will only really have theirs when they have hot chocolate. So their cups are all up there. This is my one for football. And we always have open medicines here, so we know which ones to use first. They're just going to stay there. And because I take my vitamin at night, I always do my inhaler as well. So it just has to stay there because it's practical. And these are all I've got some more of these, they need washing, and all of those are plastic, which will be great for the summer. Very happy that we've now eventually sorted that out. So that's one kitchen cupboard down, all the rest to go, but that is not happening today. I'm doing it in manageable chunks for me. This is my day off, and yeah, we'll get to another one when we get to it. We are not tackling this cupboard yet, but I just wanted to show you I do have a lot of spare water bottles in case they get lost or broken at school. That's my work bottle, but I do keep spares in there too. I don't want to get rid of them because as soon as I get rid of them, bottles are going to be dropped or broken. So yeah, we're not touching that one yet. Look at my new arrival from Vinted, guys. I needed summer shoes. I'd stated in another video that I had these coming. £4.57 I paid total with the postage, and look, they look brand new. They don't look worn. Maybe a handful of times. Primark, £4.57, and I think these will be great with a lot of the clothes I got and skirts. I had shoes like this before I had kids, like in my very early 20s, and I wore them everywhere, and these weren't really in style then, so like a lot of my family members would laugh about me having my clogs on my feet, but I'm glad they're back in style, guys. I mean, I can't afford Birkenstocks. Primark, Primani, just as good, and even better when you get it from Vinted. The final thing I'm going to do today is make some overnight oats. I'm using this little pot, but I do it with milk and not yogurt, and I do my portions slightly different, but it's a good shape, good sized pot, and it's got a lid to it, so I'm going to use that. What I'm going to do is put oats in, I put honey in, cover the oats with milk and then some, because they do expand and soak up lots of milk, and then I'm going to put some frozen strawberries on top and get it in the fridge. So that's my oats ready for the fridge. As you see, I've gone a little bit over the oats with the milk just because they expand, and I've dropped some frozen strawberries in there. I don't like it without honey. You can leave honey out, use golden syrup, even use a bit of sugar, but this is going to be yummy for my breakfast tomorrow. So thanks for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.